Hello and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas with Spoony Stitcher and Critters Crochet. Teresa, Critters Crochet, and I decided to send each other 12 fun little items that we can open each day on our videos. And to get you in the holiday spirit, we are going to share some fun things with you. We are going to share gift ideas. We're going to share some recipes. We're going to share some music you might want to listen to, some movies and TV you might want to watch, and we're going to shout out a channel every single video for the next 12 days. Yes, you will even see us on the weekends. Huh. Happy December 2nd. Okay, so let's go see what Teresa sent me for day number 2. Another little fancy package here. Let me see. Little Thing Studio. Take my life and let it be him tea towel. Okay, let's see. It says, take my life and let it be him tea towel. Full design. Oh, okay. All right. Here. Let's see it. Wow! It's like a pretty garden. It says, take my life and let it be consecrated, Lord, to thee. Take my moments and my days, let them flow in ceaseless praise. Take my hands and let them move at the impulse of thy love. Take my feet and let them be swift and beautiful for thee. Francis and Havergale in 1874. Wow, this is so pretty. Thank you, Teresa. Have to take it upstairs to the kitchen. Okay, remember to check out Teresa's video and see what I sent her. I sent her little clues on each of her tags, so she gets to play a little game. Okay, yesterday we opened up Kermit from our Muppet Christmas Carol. So who's in day number 2? Take a guess down below. Who do we think is in day number 2? I'm gonna say Ghost of Christmas Past. I don't know. I love the age on this. It's 0+. Two. It's Robin. No. It's little Robin as Tiny Tim. Oh my goodness, he even has his little crutch. What? He is so darling. Again, we have the fabulous facial embroidery here. He is so soft. The little flippers are they're just too cute. And he's got his little, and his little hat. Let me see. Did they make him smaller? They did! They made him smaller! Oh wait, let's see. Where he's riding on his shoulder, you know? 'Tis the season to be happy and joyous. Fa la la. Oh, this is so cute! Is this gonna end up being my favorite advent calendar? Maybe. See, I knew that gift or garbage was just wasted on this because I knew this would be epic. Look at this. Look at this. The details, the cuteness level. I knew this would be 100%. I just knew it. So yeah, gift or garbage would be wasted on this because I knew it would be a gift. Huh, yeah, look at this. The quality. So cute. So is the next one Emily? And then their little families together? I mean, of course we're missing Peter and Bettina and Belinda, but you know. And if they don't come in the calendar, then maybe I will crochet them for next year when I get these out again. Because yes, I think these are gonna have to come back every year. Our shout out of the day is Jana K. I had to do that. But no, her channel is Leave It to Stitches, which is her new channel. And I love that her style, I don't know how quite to describe it, but it's almost like she's sharing a story with you while she's working on something, and she's relating it to her life. Like her projects are related to her life. It's really interesting. I love it. So Miss Jana K, she is a sweetheart. I love her dearly. I'm really bad at remembering to watch her videos. I'm so behind on everybody's videos. I watch like 3 people weekly, and that's all I can keep up with. So I spend the weekends sometimes like binging certain people, like today is Sandra, today is Jana K, today is Sarah, you know, because I don't know what else to do. But always make sure you leave a comment on those videos, and please check out Miss Jana K and her new channel, Leave It to Stitches. I will link it down below for you. My friend Heather at Heather's Creative Corner is going to love this because the gift idea for today is my plastic bag holder! My plastic bag holder that you can make in fun little Christmas designs, or just make it plain, or you can make it spooky if your friend is more into like Spookmas. Yes, this is a fun, easy project. And what you do is you can put your plastic bags in it. You know, the bags you get from the store, or your little puppy bags, or what have you. This is great to store your plastic bags. That is your gift idea for the day. What do you think? Have you tried it? I will link the tutorial down below. And the movie recommendation of the day is Jingle All the Way. Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sinbad, Phil Hartman, Rita Wilson, Martin Mull, Jim Belushi. Wow, the list goes on and on and on. This is a stacked cast, super fun, great movie to watch on like Black Friday. Sorry, it's already passed, but it was a great movie to watch then because it's the chaos of what Black Friday used to be, you know. This is based on the Elmo craze that happened years ago, and they made a movie about a toy that a father has to find because he told his kid he already had it. He also told his wife he already had it. He doesn't. And it's the most popular toy of the year. He meets another dad who is a postal worker, played by Sinbad, and they work together and then don't work together, and it's a whole thing. This is a wonderful, silly comedy. I love this movie. I love watching my father watch this movie. If you understand about watching a guy watch a movie, then you know. Yeah. It's so much fun. It's zany. It's funny. I looked it up. You can watch it on Hulu, Disney Plus, and if you don't have any of the paid ones, Tubi. So yes, it's on Tubi right now. So that is your movie recommendation for the day. Have you seen it? Let me know. And if you want to listen to some music today, I highly recommend Swingin' Little Christmas with Jane Lynch, Kate Flannery, and I always forget the guy's name. Sorry, dude. Yes, this is a fun little jazzy tune to get you in the mood. I love listening to this song while I wrap presents. I don't know, it's just kind of a jazzy feel while you wrap the gifts and stuff. So much fun. I mean, it literally starts out like a ting-a-ling-ling, a ting-a-ling-ling. I mean, yeah, the harmony in this song is perfect. I love the 3-part harmony. It is such a fun song. Highly recommend. Go listen to it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a lot of fun. Remember to check out Teresa's video. I will link it down below. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!